Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2020 Harris Grand Mariner 250. Let's go ahead and take a beautiful walk around of this boat. Power in this bad boy is a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. Very, very stout motor. Comes included with a 3-blade stainless prop for extra durability and extra punch out of the hull. I want you to notice our really nice 4-step Harris ladder. So long I can't even extend it all the way out. This just makes it really nice, very easy and convenient for anybody to get in and out of the boat. I mean, even here on land, I'm able to walk up on the boat very easily, very comfortably. I want you to notice the wide handrails here, all through bolted for extra security. Now here with this lounger in the back, it's really, really nice. And a lot of people wonder, can I ride back here? With these installed safety rails, this makes it Coast Guard approved to be riding down the lake with just a clip of the chain. You're ready to go and let the adventure start. The thing I love about this lounger setup here, you have a really long storage compartment that is all covered in fiberglass. Makes this for a very durable compartment. Not going to have any leaks, any cracks in it. Has a self-draining small cooler over on the side for anybody that doesn't want to lug a big old cooler on here. Moving to the cabin area here, as you can see, we have a sport tower, powder-coated black. This is really, really nice for water sports. Also great sun coverage. This does fold down for anybody that has to store this into a slip. Very easy, 2-man operation. Again, more storage on this boat. And you can see our really nice JL Audio sub powering that audio system. Now, what's really neat about this boat, you have two kind of different textures. You have a leather outer, and then you also have a textured vinyl in the center. The textured vinyl just kind of keeps a little bit of the heat off, dries off really quick. Just another premium vinyl on this boat. You can notice all the cross-stitch centers. Gives this boat a really rich look, really warm look. More storage throughout. All self-draining. As you can see, there is a little bit of residual water there, and there is nothing inside the compartment here. Moving over to the captain's chair. You see we have a fully adjustable seat, fold-down armrests, adjustable reclining, and it is also 360 degrees. Moving on to our head unit here. This is the Platinum JL Audio head unit. As you can see, it has a very large screen on it. It is Bluetooth enabled. The buttons are very easy to click, separated away from each other, making it just a very simple operation and very user-friendly. Now, along with that, we also have a full JL Audio system on this boat. You have 2 speakers up in the front, 2 speakers back here in the back, 2 more in the cabin area for either side of the captain's chair. Make sure the audio is evenly dispersed. And then we have an additional 2 speakers hiding in our grill back here. Something you wouldn't even notice unless it was pointed out. More storage. Again, these pontoon boats have more storage than you know what to do with, which is very nice because if you have 2-3 coolers, a bunch of bags, something that you can always handle. Additional storage underneath the helm area here. And keep in mind, this is all finished fiberglass, so this is not something you're going to be able to cut your hand on. All the edges are finished, nice and rolled over. Now on the Grand Mariner, you'll notice these cage-style inserts in the seats. This makes it just another area for you to put storage at, whether you're placing fenders in here. Just an extra, they utilize that wasted space that most seats have, and they integrated a little pocket into here, along with this cage to hold any of your belongings in place. Up in the bow area here, plenty of seats to go all around, plenty of cup holders to go all around, accent lighting underneath all of the seats. I mean, it's a truly great experience being on this boat. More additional storage, because you can never have too much storage. One thing I want to point out to you about these cup holders, we all got Yetis, and this is perfectly tall enough to sit a wide Yeti tumbler in here. All right, guys, if this is a vessel you'd like to hear more about, please contact us and me, Connor Marr, at MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thank you guys for watching.